what's going on YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. It was actually pretty hot today. Finally cooled down though. I did get sunburned today, but it's alright. And today I'm going to show you how to link your Zero motorcycle with the Zero app on your phone. And I see some instructions online about this, but I haven't found any videos, so this will be the very first video on YouTube about how to do this. Now, one thing that I have found to do is on your phone, you want to turn off your Wi-Fi. There we go. I tried doing this a few months ago, and it just was not working at all, and I turned off my Wi-Fi and it worked. Now, what you gotta do is you gotta have the Zero app downloaded, which is right here, and obviously hit connect. The motorcycle's not on, and we'll cancel out of that. And the Zero app goes into demo mode. So whenever you turn on the key, I think Bluetooth is on this side or this side, I can't remember. Whenever you turn on the key though, there's a split second where the Bluetooth is on. You can try and connect it that way. You can get lucky and try and connect it through that Bluetooth when it comes on for a split second, but it has not worked for me. So what you want to do, turn it on, Bluetooth bottom left there is on, and then it's off. Alright, we'll do that again. We'll zoom in on the bottom left here. Okay, turn it back off real quick. Now look right here for the Bluetooth. You turn it on, Bluetooth is on, 2 seconds, and it's off. And there's no way that I have done to connect there. So what you got to do now is to turn on Bluetooth, you press and hold the mode button right here. Press and hold the mode button for like 5 seconds, and then Bluetooth will turn back on. So you go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bluetooth is on and blinking. You go back to your phone. Actually, we're gonna have to close it because it's on the demo mode. Open the app back up and hit connect. Finding your motorcycle, and you probably want to keep your location on too, just in case. That probably helps it work better. And wait for it. Still looking. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. All right, it sees my motorcycle now. So we click on that, and there we go. There is my motorcycle. So let's see. Total kilowatts used. You can all this information here. But so when it's charging, time to charge right here. When it's charging, you have to have the key. You have to have the motorcycle on. It will not connect. Either that, or it's just not going to reach inside my house. Yeah. So this is kind of useful. This is like for when you're driving and stuff like that. You can see the battery right here. It's not charging. You can see if it is charging. If it was charging, you would see stuff in here: charging amps, charging watts, total kilowatts used. Cell balance, charge cycles, which I don't think is right because that's been way more than that. Performance. This is just your last ride here, or last couple rides probably. And then in order to create your custom map, you go settings here and create custom ride setup right here. You can actually even change your ride screen on here, but I haven't used that. You got to use that while you're riding. But here is how you can do your custom ride mode. You got English and metric. Obviously we're going to go back to English. I have this one set up as a like super eco mode, and so I have the max speed 65 miles an hour, max torque 20%, neutral regeneration, which is when you just let off the throttle, up to 100%, brake regeneration 100% as well. And then this is just some stats of what it'll tell you. So cost of gallon per gas right now is way more than $4. Miles per gallon on the ICE vehicle is 30, maybe. Most vehicles don't get that much. Cost per kilowatt hour is about 14 cents. So you do 14 cents times 7.2 right now, and I don't know what that comes out to be, but it's less than $1. And Chase, got to make a correction to Chase's video he recently came out with. He said his Livewire 1 that he's borrowing costs only 9 cents to fill up, and so the Livewire 1 has a 15.5 kilowatt hour battery, and obviously right here cost per kilowatt hour is 14 cents. So there's no way that the Livewire 1 can be only 9 cents to charge it. But yeah, we can always mess with this. I can like bring the torque down to, let's say, 15%. And in order to save that, all you do, there's no save button on here. You just hit the back button up top and it uploads it to the bike automatically. And that is about it. Let's see if there's a firmware update available actually. Nope. No firmware updates for my bike. This app is pretty cool. I could actually update the firmware if I needed to. But these, you can email the logs to 0 if you need to. The Bluetooth help was no help at all because it did not say to turn off your Wi-Fi, and that is the one thing that I found that helped me, is turn off your Wi-Fi and keep your location on. So there you guys go. There is a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up the custom mode on your Zero app and then upload it to your bike. This works for all Zero models. Actually, all the new models, they all are done by holding in the mode button and getting that, and that's how you do it to get the Bluetooth pairing mode. All Zero models are the same now, and this will work for no matter what Zero model you have, unless it's like a really old one. Then you'll have to look it up for your specific model. So there you guys go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you really enjoyed the video, share it with a friend and share it with any Zero owner that you know. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Later.
We'll be right back.